Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on the impact of corporate tax on the foreign investments. My name is Manali Chopra and today I'm going to speak about the impact of the corporate tax it had on the foreign investment in the country and how corporate tax have evolved during the last few years. So, as a part of the commitment of UAE to the world, where UAE have committed to double its economy by 2023. So, as a part of that agenda, one of the very important factor was bringing new regulations into the country. So, we have seen some new regulation coming into the country right from 2019, where there was a regulation on economic substance which came and which affected the market, and then there was a regulation on the ultimate beneficial owner. Then we had anti-money laundering regulations coming in back in 2021, and then we had following the corporate tax regulations. So all of these regulations were actually a part of UAE's commitment to make this country compliant and follow the regulations which are benchmark with the other countries and the world. So today we are going to delve into the impact of corporate tax specifically on the sectors, on various sectors and at the country, and what was the position of UAE prior to having this corporate tax into this country and post corporate tax. So today we are going to discuss about the implications. So now let's talk about some of the speculations which were there in the market before the corporate tax was implemented in the UAE. So one of the thing which was there in the country, that UAE was known to be as a tax free hub or a tax free country prior to implication of UAE. But when this tax came, there was a speculation that there will be a 9% extra burden on the company, which might increase the cost eventually of the country as a whole and of the businesses. But UAE was eventually looked into as a very, very attractive destination still for the foreign investor because of its infrastructure, because of the facility it provides, because of the technology which is there. Especially now we have AI into the place. So with all these attractive things which are there in the place, UAE continued to be the destination for the foreign investor, and people are more attractive towards having and opening their businesses, as UAE act as a center of attraction and it act as a center for the entire world. I mean, it act as a center of attraction for all the countries because of the advantages which it provide to the respective people coming to the country. So now we talk about the next factor which is there. So one of the very important factor which will continue making UAE as a attractive destination for foreign investors is that the corporate tax rate which is kept is 9%, which is as compared to the rate which is there in the world for different countries is very, very competitive and lowest in the world. So this will continue make the people and the foreign investor to be attracted towards this country, and they will continue invest into this country. Again, the economic benefit of having the corporate tax is also there. So the revenue which government is going to generate from the corporate taxes, definitely the government is very much committed. The UAE government, they are very much committed to invest that money into the economic development of the country, which will cover the infrastructural development or it will cover the sectoral developments. For example, the development in different sectors, and it will also help in contributing to ultimately the economy of a country as a whole. Businesses in UAE can also take a benefit of a lot of restructuring opportunities with the upcoming taxes. So a lot of businesses are doing restructuring of their activities, especially when there are a lot of benefits which are there in the free zones. So there are a lot of benefits available for the entities operating in the free zones in terms of activities, wherein when they are performing certain types of activities, they are actually out of the tax purview, subject to some of the conditions which they have to meet. So this will also definitely help the businesses, especially into the free zones, where they can invest into having a company in the free zone in the development of specific sector, and then thereby capitalize the impact of it and then make it tax efficient. So now let's take a look at the post corporate tax implementation era and how UAE have still emerged as a very attractive attraction for the foreign investor. UAE is actually investing a lot into different sectors, and they have made a promising investments into different sectors. Like for example, when we talk about fintech sector or e-commerce sector, or we talk about the healthcare sector. So all these sectors are actually growing, and UAE is actually attracting a lot of potential investors, which shows a commitment of this country as having an economic diversification within it. So if we talk about UNCTAD's World Investment Report, wherein it shows that in 2022 the FDI inflows into the country was approximately 22.73 billion USD. And if I talk about year by year growth, the growth was actually, there was a 4.4% growth as compared to the previous year. So UAE is actually aiming to grow the FDIs by approximately 60 billion per year from the next year following this. So definitely there is a commitment of the government to grow, attract more and more foreign investors into the country. So the next very attractive point in UAE is that there are some specific benefits which are given to the free zone entities. There are some around 13 activities which are actually qualifies as qualifying free zone activity. So if somebody is conducting those activities from free zone and complying with some other conditions, then they can always go for a tax exemption. So despite having a complexity of the activity, still there is a, there is a way where the companies can still save on the taxes if they invest into these particular activities. So these activities include manufacturing activity, trading of qualifying commodity, having a headquarter, or there are having an investment company for holding share, and many more. So having such activities and operating such businesses into the free zone still have some of the benefits available for the foreign investor, which makes this country as attractive as it was earlier, pre corporate tax era. Now let's talk about one of the very important factor which has come after having the corporate taxes. So this taxes have made country having a more compliant status, so investors are now having more transparency on the businesses and the operations of a company as a whole. So definitely the investors are going to feel more comfortable while making any investment into the company, as the compliance structure and the compliance standards are increasing because of having the corporate tax implemented into the country. So this is also one of the very important factor where we would think that the foreign direct investment will keep on coming and will keep on growing into the country. So with the introduction of corporate taxes in the country, UAE will keep on continuing to maintain its status as attracting more and more foreign direct investments into the country because of its investment friendly nature, because of its tax competitive advantages, as we have seen that the tax rates which this country is offering is the most competitive as we compared with the rest of countries of the world. So we believe that UAE will continue to be one of the preferred destination for the foreign direct investors. For more information, you can visit AKW Consultants website and you can explore our more services. At AKW Consultants, we have a dedicated team which is regularly serving the clients in their needs with respect to the various regulatory compliances and changing landscape of the country. Thank you.